Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I want to show you how to install applications from unknown sources to your Android TV box or Google TV. So this is going to be an interesting video, and I will recommend you to like, subscribe and share the video if you can, so that you'll be able to encourage the YouTube channel for us to create more videos like this. And also, please, you do well to watch the video right up to the end and pay close attention. So that's it. I want to show you how to install applications from unknown sources to either your Android TV box or Google TV. So now, here's my Android TV I'm using. It's an Android TV box, and it allows me to use a mouse to navigate it. So that's why I'm doing a video, and it encourages me to do a smooth, easily navigable video. That's why I'm using a mouse. So this is my Android TV, and it comes with its own mini app store. That's its own mini app store, and I do not have the Google Play Store application. So I'm going to show you lots of things in this video, and please just try to understand what I'm sharing. I'll try to speak as clearly as possible so that you can apply this on both your Android TV or your Android TV box if you have one, or Google TV. Now, installing applications from unknown sources on Android TV simply means that installing applications from sources that are not Google Play Store. I'll repeat that. Installing applications from unknown sources on Android TV or TV box or Google TV simply means that you are installing applications to your device from sources that are not Google Play Store. So if you're on your Android TV, you're installing applications from places that is not Google Play Store, or from any other source that is not Google Play Store, then that is installing applications from unknown sources. That is what we mean. So the very first setting, or the very first thing you need to do to be able to install applications to your Android TV from unknown sources is that on your Android TV, you need to turn on that option that allows you to install applications from unknown sources. Most Android TVs come without setting, but it is always turned off, and that's why you might find it difficult to install applications from unknown sources. So you need to go over to your settings on your Android TV and turn it on. Now, the only problem here, or the only thing here, is that you might not have the same device like me, or your device might not look the same like me. But if you understand what I'm talking about, I believe you'll be able to find out. So what you need to do on your Android TV is go over to your settings and search for the option that says install apps from unknown sources. Let me show you mine. So here's mine over here. If I click over on my settings on my remote control, or if I come down to settings here, this is my Android TV box. Let me do that again. So if I click over my settings, here are my apps here. Or here are my little settings over here: network, Bluetooth, account, apps, and device preferences. So I go over to device preferences over here. There are lots of options. Am I even on the right place? No. So if I go over to I think that is apps, or yes. When I come over to apps, now pay attention please. I go over to option that says security and restriction. This is where I find my own setting. Yours might not be in the same place. That's why I say you should go over to your settings and search for it. So I go to security and restriction. You're going to see the first option that says allow installation of apps from sources other than the Play Store. This is the unknown sources. So you see, this is my own option. So I don't know where you're going to find yours, but just search for it in your settings. It is going to be there somewhere, as long as you're using an Android TV or TV box. So what I'll do over here, as you can see, mine already allows applications to be installed from unknown sources. So these are all the sources that I can install applications from, and it's all allowed. If these all were turned on, then I would not be able to install applications from unknown sources. And so you see, your device and personal data are more vulnerable to attack by apps from unknown sources. You agree that you are solely... This is just Google or the Android TV box trying to give us a disclaimer. So as you can see, all my unknown sources are already turned on. Now, most of the places where I install my apps are on link downloader and Google, and as you can see they are all turned on. Let's take for instance, if unlink here was turned off, I wouldn't be able to install any app from the unlink application to my Android TV. So that's why you need to make sure that all your unknown sources are turned on. So that's it. Let's return. So once you turned on that setting, then now your Android TV will be able to install apps from unknown sources. And the very first unknown source I use a lot is Google. So how do I search apps on Google and install to my Android TV when they are not on Google Play Store? Let's say for instance, I'm searching for the VLC application. What I'll do is that I go over to my Google browser, I click VLC, I search for it, and then rather than just searching, I add APK. So once I add APK, what I'm doing is that I'm telling my browser that I'm not searching for the application on Google Play Store. I'm searching for the APK on the browser. So as I search APK, I'm going to receive lots of other sources where I can install the VLC APK to my Android TV. So here are various sources, and I'm going to show you the one I trust the most. The one I trust the most is Malavida, and the second beside Malavida that I trust the most is Up to Down. So anytime I want to install an APK, the first option is Malavida. If it's not available on Malavida, then I use the Up to Down option. But since Malavida is available, I click on it, and this now is an unknown source. And since I already turned on that option, I can be able to download the application from here. So that's my very first unknown source that I can use to install applications. Now I use other applications like APK Time, Downloader, and Unlink. So if you want to know how to install all of these app stores to Android TV, check the description of this video. I'm going to add the links on how to install APK, how to install Downloader, and also how to install Unlink. I'm also going to add in links or a video on 8 different Unlink codes that you can use. But let me just say I want to install an application from APK Time. What I'll do is I'm going to go ahead and launch it. And once I launch APK Time, here are the applications that I'm going to find here. I think there are around 10 categories of applications, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, or 10 or 11 categories of different apps. So this is an unknown source. Why? Because it is not Google Play Store. And since I've turned on the option to install applications from unknown sources, I can install an application from this app to my Android TV. So all I need to do is to go over here, look for the application I want to install, and make sure that it's compatible with my Android TV, and I go ahead and click on download. Let's say for instance I'm looking for an application that I might want on my Android TV, or let's say I want to install this application. So what I'll do, I'll just click on download, and then it's going to start downloading to my Android TV. Once it's done downloading, or once it's 100% here, I'll be able to install to my Android TV. So that's it about this video. Let me just give you a recap. So if you want to transfer files from your Android TV, if you want to install applications to your Android TV from unknown sources, you have to turn on the options, or you have to turn on the settings, and then now you can be able to install applications from sources that are not Google Play Store on your Android TV. And remember, if you're looking for how to install APK Time, Download, and Unlink, check the description of this video. I've attached links there that are going to help you. If you find the video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share for more videos like this.